Hola familia, Aarón Sánchez here in casa, en la cocina, my favorite place in the whole house. And I'm making some fish tacos with my wonderful Fiesta Fish Marinade. It starts basically with these beautiful little medallions, if you will, of mahi-mahi. I'm using dorado mahi-mahi in this case. What I like to do is put a little bit of olive oil in there and give a very healthy dose of this marinade. Look at that. The flavor profile is peppers, onions, garlic, chile, all those wonderful things that pair with fish, right? This also goes wonderfully with shrimp, by the way. I'm gonna take about 4 pieces. What I'm gonna do is season very generously with salt, a little bit of black pepper, bake onto the grill. This is my favorite part, right? You use this and just take all of that beautiful fish out. Perfection. A little Mexican avocado from Michoacan, one of my favorites. It's what we call Mexican butter. Now we're just building layers of flavors, guys. It just kind of trace a little dab, if you will. And then I'm gonna just finish with a little bit of this Mexican oregano. And here you go, guys. You have my beautiful fish tacos with the Fiesta Fish Marinade, available part of my collection with Williams Sonoma. Check it out. Qué delicioso.